G'day viewers, well, I'm having a little bit of a difficulty with this computer. It's actually quite a kick-ass machine. It's actually been great. I actually managed to put Windows 7 Ultimate on it, if I haven't already mentioned it before. And tell you what, I really should have done that in the very first place. Whew, it's much better than Home Premium, that's for sure. It can support up to 192 gigabytes of RAM. I've had to install that to get the most out of this machine. Because I built it so damn good. Yeah, it's been a really good performer. 32 gigabytes, 31.9 gigabytes usable. You can only use up to 16 gigabytes on Home Premium. So whatever you do, get 64-bit, because 32-bit you'll only use 3.25 gigabytes. That's it. So you don't get 32-bit Windows. Now I think this machine here can support 64-bit computing, the board in here, the Asus one. But I don't think the processor can. The Pentium 4 might only be a 32-bit processor, unfortunately, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I want to try and get 64-bit Windows XP Professional on here to unlock the full benefits of that motherboard. I'll be able to use the whole 3 gigabytes of RAM. But I got the Home Edition in this one, which has 4 gig of RAM, and I can use 3.1 gigabytes of that. I've also got a sound card ordered for this too. This is actually working quite well, this thing. Just need a caddy for hard drives in there. That might actually make a good PC for my man cave, I reckon. If I had the room, because I can edit videos and that and everything. Maybe a good video editing and uploading PC. Anyway, back to this one. I've noticed sometimes when I reboot this machine, the DVD drive comes up and it works normally. I installed Windows and everything, but it worked fine. And it used to come up here all the time, I could use it, I could play DVDs and everything. It works, and sometimes it just disappears. I'm not sure why. I did the registry check thing for it, and it just comes and goes. I don't know why. I've checked all the SATA cables and where it's plugged into, it all recognises it all, but I hope the drive's not starting to fail. It's the same BDR drive I've had in this case since I got it built in day dot. But it's kind of bloody annoying why it would just piss off and not come back. Control panel. I just watched Ed's video there. We're over here, device manager. Because sometimes when it does work and come up sometimes in Windows, I can look at it in device manager and it all says it's working fine. I did the Microsoft Microsoft Fix-It program for it, and it found nothing wrong with it. It usually comes up here, Pioneer ATA CDRW device, whatever it is. But now it's not there. I don't know why. It's just annoying. I check on the BIOS and everything. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. So, as I said, I tried swapping SATA cables and everything around. Nothing's changed. It could just coincidentally be an intermittently failing drive starting to fail, but I'm not sure on that. I could try switching drives around and see what that does, but any advice would be appreciated. Yeah, as I did plug everything in the right spot in this thing, and it's all working quite well, so it just works sometimes and sometimes it just disappears. I'm not sure why. There's the thing, AA on the motherboard. It's actually quite a nice board, that. It's a bit more, yeah, as I said, it's a bit different than the other boards I've had. Yeah, it works quite well. Anyway, I'd love to get this thing to always be present and usable every time. Anyway, thanks for watching.